you are visible. Well, hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Well, I'm great. Thank you so much for asking. How has your day been so far? How's it going?
My day just started.
Okay.
Yeah. What you? I think you got early.
Yes, I woke up early. My day is going wonderful so far.
Okay. So you are taking classes since morning only.
Yeah, since 10 a.m. So I'm done with one, and you're the second one today.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I'm third one. So you already have two slots before me.
I actually had a half an hour session, like the 25-minute one.
Okay. Okay. But when I was booking that session, so it's showing three sessions. So two before me and a third one is for mine.
Yes, because the 25-minute session when we take, then the gap between is only 10 minutes. So no other session can be booked in between.
Okay. Okay.
That's the thing. So either they are like the 15 minutes one free, or
Mm-hmm.
even if it's one 25 minutes, then only two sessions can be booked for that hour.
So do you take a 15-minute session often, or you take a 25-minute session?
Well, I take both. It's there's a balance, I would say.
Okay. And you take throughout the day.
Yes, because that is something I'm doing currently. Since I have
Mm-hmm.
enough time, I do it throughout the day.
Okay. So you are done with your examination and all, so you are free and you have a lot of time.
Yes, that is true.
And you are earning a lot of money with this free utilizing this time.
Yeah, and the most important thing that I get from this platform is like experience of having a conversation with so many
Exactly.
people from all around the
And
world, and
and
mostly
you
like from
you
so
get
many parts of India.
to know a lot of things from lots of people.
Absolutely. Now, this kind of experience is something you cannot possibly have. Maybe
Right.
when I would go out and travel, there is a less possibility that I could get to have a conversation with people from such diverse areas. So I think this
Right.
is amazing.
Like the same thing we are doing on the social platform, but it is not giving anything in return. But on the clapping go we are getting like me getting the knowledge and you are getting both.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Well, we have quite an interesting topic lined up for us today to have a conversation around, and that is medicine. But before that, there are
Yeah.
two extempo topics.
Hmm.
So, have you gone through the session document, or you want me to walk
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
through? Okay. So, what are the extempo topics, if you could tell?
I think there are two topics.
So,
Couldn't
the first,
recall exactly what first one is.
yeah. So, the first one is the more we communicate, the less we uh, learn about each other, if we have to sum it up. And the second one is, what is the biggest mistake humans have made?
Okay. So the first one is the more we talk, but we say.
The more we communicate, the less we understand.
Okay, but what is the exact meaning of that? It means like we spoke lots of things, but we don't say the exact we should say exactly what we should say. Is it a?
Well, well, that particular topic can have multiple meanings, but a very generic meaning would be the more we communicate in the sense now we have so many different modes of communication. Social
Mm-hmm.
media being one, then we have we can chat on social media as well, or like we have stuff like WhatsApp, and we even have phone calls. So the more we use
Right.
these kind of mediums, the less we spend time in understanding other people. We don't really know what the other person is thinking about. Whereas in olden times, we used to go and talk to people. Like this is something
Mm-hmm.
that used to happen. Like people would come over to our place, we would go to people's place just to talk because it's been a long time we haven't had a conversation. But nowadays,
Yes.
people don't visit other people if there is no reason. People don't
Okay.
write letters because letters are quite personalized. We don't
No, I
care a lot
think
about it.
we are not getting a letter since a long time actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we got only the PAN card and such government thing on government letters only. So there are
Yeah,
no personal letters now.
mm, that's true. So well, this is
And
the topic all about. You can, if you want, you
yeah,
can go over it. If you want, there is another topic as well. You can go for it. So whenever you're ready, you can start the example.
okay. So like we can speak on the first one. So yeah, we can say like we communicate lots of things. Like we talk to my friends, we talk to my parents as well. But we speak only what can I say, normal communication. We don't talk about our feelings and what can uh, and what the matter to us actually. So yeah, mostly we can speak our thoughts with a stranger on social media, but we avoid to speak with our near and dear ones, I think. And what do you say on that?
Well, yes, I do agree with you. Like as I mentioned before, that because of so many different modes of communication, there is a certain blockage in the real conversation that people are missing out on. Like just
Hmm.
let's say like I don't remember the last time I just went on a walk with my friends and had a conversation. Of course, because of COVID, we have not met in a very, very long time and we
Yeah,
are
yeah,
looking forward to meet. But even other than that, because everyone is busy is one thing. But even when we
hmm,
meet together, we hardly do that.
exactly.
But that is something which is very, very, should be very, very cherished. But it's not. Or like writing letters, as I said. So everyone is using social media. I personally don't like chatting because
Yeah,
one thing, do tell me if you have observed this as well, but what I have observed is like people sound different when they're chatting, like they have a different personality, we could say, while they're chatting. Then they have a
yes,
different personality when they're talking with you on a phone call, a
yes.
normal voice phone call, and they have a different personality when they meet you
When
in
they
person.
met you personally, right?
Have you
Yeah,
observed this?
I observe this.
Mhm.
So when you chat with someone, you couldn't know what is the exact personality of that guy.
Mhm.
And when you speak on call, you may sometimes you realize that yeah, I can understand what type of this person, but you will totally understand when you personally meet that guy, or not in one meeting, but when you spend a lots of time, then you can find exactly what that type of person is,
Yeah.
what type of person is that. So yes, you right on that, and I agree on
Mhm. That's true. Because like a person would be like very, very confident when they are chatting.
chatting. Yes,
Yeah, they would want to know so much from you and would not entertain late replies. Now, this is something that
yes,
people say that are you so busy that you cannot reply? I can see you online, but you are not replying. That is something
right,
which is
right.
like a headache to me.
Also, in chatting, I think me also, I can get lots of things, and I can I can write a very good things in chatting. But when I talk, I forgot lots of things. I try to recall what should I say, and yeah, it happens actually. So actually, in typing, we get lots of time to uh, say our things, to communicate our ideas. So I think it's also a reason that it vary from chatting to personal meeting or in a phone call.
Yes, absolutely. Because while chatting, the thing is, your voice is not being heard. So
Yes.
many a times there are misunderstandings because of the way people chat. Now, of course, there are like certain rules and regulations. So if someone writes a message in all caps, that means they're saying it like with a high voice. It's
Yes.
like if they're angry or if they're very happy, they will write everything in all caps. Then there are
Mhm.
emojis. Even the type of smiley it determines that are you like giving a fake smile or like a genuine smile.
Yeah.
All these things. That's why I don't
Yes.
chat.
Yes. Yes.
What do you prefer? Like, what mode of communication do you prefer?